Hey guys, so if the Touch 2FA is not working for you and you're looking for the solution, this is something I found on Reddit. Turned out Twitch registered my phone number on Authy, and the solution was to download Authy, log with my phone number and use authentication code from there. Even someone wrote here, when this kind of error happens, is it usually because your clock or time zone is off by more than 30 seconds? Try to double check it if it's properly synchronized, both the time zone and your phone clock. So this is something that you want to do, and I hope it's going to help you. So yeah. And someone wrote here, thanks man, that was the problem on my mobile, it was 1 minute difference, set the time on automatic and it's solved. So have a great day and goodbye.